Stuck with a non-functional search bar on Windows 11? I'll guide you through quick solutions to get it working seamlessly and enhance your search experience. Click the Start menu and click on the power icon. Alternatively, press the Windows key and click on the power icon. Select Restart.
If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution.
Click the Start button and select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click the Check for Updates button. Once done, verify whether the search bar now starts working. If it doesn't, head to the next method. Click the Windows button and choose Settings. Go to System from the left pane and select Troubleshoot from the right. Select Other Troubleshooters. Next, search for Search and Indexing and click on the Run button.
If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution.
Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager and click on the Details tab. In the name column, search for searchhost.exe. Right-click on it and select End Task. When you're prompted to end search UI.exe, select End Process.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.